Hello YouTube, it's me, Paulie C. And today we're in my 2021 Chevrolet Trax. We're doing a little bit of a review or look over of this ORSKEY dash cam that I bought around, I'm going to say 9 months ago. It's a pretty good dash cam in my opinion. The resolution's really good at 1080p, both front and rear. It's got a 3-inch LCD display and records at 170 degrees in the front and just a little bit less under that in the back, the rear camera. It also has night vision, motion detection, G sensor, which activates right away in a collision. And for $43.99 Canadian, I think this is a really good deal. Okay, as you can see here, we have it wired right into the vehicle through the cigarette lighter. You can see right now it's on record. That's how I keep it all the time. I don't have it set up for motion sensor or anything like that, but you can set it up with the motion sensor. Now, as you can see here, I have it set up to have the rear camera in the top right hand corner, and for the main screen I have the front. Now you can change that around, and the first, I believe it's this button here. Yeah, so the top left-hand corner, the first button, this can change the way you look at things. As you can see, it's in 1080p, which the quality is really good. There's a split screen, and there's just the front, just the rear, and this is the way I like it. Now, if you go to the right side of the unit, the top here is to actually press record to turn it off. And we also have a lock button, which is good, so you just keep it on there so you can't really touch any of the buttons and have it screw up. And then the last one turns the unit on and off. I have it set up so when I turn the car on, it automatically comes on, and then when it shuts down, the unit shuts down as well. Now, as I was saying earlier, as you can see here, I have it hooked up into the cigarette lighter. I found this thing really easy to install. I thought it was going to be a pain in the rear, if you know what I'm saying. But I have it tucked in, and the way I have it hooked up, like, we'll start up here first of all. I got this hooked up right into that section there. I pulled these off and pretty much ran it under the roof line, which you just got to stick your finger in. And I took this pillar off here, ran the wire right through, and pretty much ran it like right through to the back. And you can see there's a panel back in the corner there. Yeah, so that panel's like right here, and I ran the wire all the way. I actually took this panel off, just removed it with a tool, pry tool, put the wire right through and hooked it right into there. Pretty simple. This also comes with a, if you want to hook the unit up to your reverse lights. I left the wire there just in case I want to do it, but I already have that reverse on my, that comes with the car. And a little look of what it looks like from the outside. It's pretty discreet, not too big. Okay, so if we move over to the Amazon website, you can see the last time I purchased this was on April 14th, 2023. It's now about January 28th, 2024, and I've had it for quite some time. This website's going to give you all the details. As you can see right now, it's $43.99. You got all the details in here. If you want to read about this item, you can pause the video here. I'm going to leave the links anyways in the description below, so be sure to check those out. If you do buy from those links, I do get a commission, as I am a Amazon associate. So I appreciate if you do buy this item, buy it through those links, and it will really help out the channel. I really do appreciate that. And you got other options here if you want to buy those. But I do recommend this product. It's really good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment if you will. We'll see you in the next one, and have a good one. Take care.